Hello, this is a video tour of 2711 Hyde Street. This is a corner building. It's located above the Gary Danko restaurant and in a wonderful location. You're walking distance to the heart of Fisherman's Wharf. Many great restaurants, coffee shops, and conveniences, and you're right by the beginning of Polk Street as well. Okay, so let's enter unit number 2. This unit has been completely renovated. To the right here is the full bathroom for the unit. So you have your toilet, sink, there's a medicine cabinet, bathtub and shower combination with good sized shower head, and sliding glass doors. You also have another cabinet here as well. To the right is a nice big closet. Others have used this closet to go with the second bedroom, as there's no closet in here, but it is a spacious room. Lots of natural light in each of the rooms. And there's your thermostat to the right. Straight ahead is the first bedroom here. Each of the bedrooms are pretty similar in size, and you do have French windows pretty much in each of the rooms. This closet is about the same size as the one in the hallway. There's your gas furnace and an amazing laundry room with private laundry, and there's plenty of shelving for storage right over here as well. The kitchen has been completely renovated. You have a stainless refrigerator, gas range, dishwasher, stone counters, stainless sink. Just a beautiful modern kitchen, and you have a microwave as well. At the end of the kitchen, you have a nice dining area. I would call it more of a breakfast area with built-in seating. And finally, the living room. This is the living room. It is large. It faces southeast, so you do have the most sun exposure in this apartment here. That's a decorative fireplace, beautiful French windows throughout. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.